Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Pocket Option account to Binance quickly and safely. If you're looking to move your trading profits into crypto or just want to manage your funds better, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your Pocket Option account and make sure your balance is available for withdrawal. It's always a good idea to check that any open trades are closed and that your account has been verified. Withdrawals won't go through if verification isn't complete. Next, go to the Finance section and click on Withdrawals. You'll see a list of different withdrawal options. Since we're transferring money to Binance, you'll want to choose a cryptocurrency option that's supported by both platforms. For example, USDT Tether, BTC, or Ethereum. Once you've selected the crypto you want to withdraw, open your Binance app or website. Go to Wallet, then Deposit, and choose the same cryptocurrency. Binance will show you a deposit address. This is the wallet address you'll use to receive your funds from Pocket Option. Make sure the network you select on Binance matches the one you're withdrawing through on Pocket Option, such as Turk24 USDT. Copy the Binance deposit address and return to Pocket Option. Paste the address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check everything, especially the network and address, since crypto transactions can't be reversed once sent. After confirming, submit your withdrawal request. Pocket Option may ask for a confirmation code sent to your email or phone. Once you verify it, your transaction will be processed. Withdrawals usually take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours depending on network congestion. You can track your withdrawal status in the Finance or Transactions section of Pocket Option. Once it's complete, you'll see the funds appear in your Binance wallet, and that's it. If you've successfully withdrawn money from Pocket Option to Binance, always remember to double-check wallet addresses and network types to avoid errors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover how to move your Binance funds to a bank or another wallet next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.